Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام سيقول الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما أشركنا ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من شيء كذلك كذب الذين من قبلهم حتى ذاقوا بأسنا قل هل عندكم من علم فتخرجوه لنا إن تتبعون إلا الظن وإن أنتم إلا تخرصون. Translation: The polytheist mushrik who associate others with Allah will say, if Allah had willed, we would not have associated others with Him, and nor our forefathers, and nor we had forbidden anything on ourselves like those before them who rejected messengers of Allah until they tasted our punishment. Say, do you have with you a sure knowledge that you can produce before us? In fact, you do not accept assumptions, and indeed you are not but speak of falsifying guess. In the previous ruku, we studied that the polytheists of Mecca were asked about the proof of making those things haram that they did. And in this ayah, their response is given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that what excuses they used to make. And they used to make the excuse that if Allah did not will, we would have not done polytheism, and we would have not made anything unjustly forbidden on ourselves, and our forefathers had not done that as well. This is only false excuses that they are making. They are just making assumptions, and they are just trying to go in the detailed discussion. But this is a very simple point that can be understood with an example, that if there is some rebellion against a government of a country, the police and the other institutions that enforce law give them some time and try to get the proofs, and once they have all the proofs and all the details, then they catch these people who are rebellious and give them punishment according to the law of the land. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is absolute in His wisdom and is much more higher than any government of this world. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give these criminals more time, and nobody can escape from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And those who are doing the sins will be presented in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and will get the punishment. One more important thing to understand, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this world as the place for an exam, and every human has to take his own exam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not force anyone to go on the straight path, and He does not force anyone to get stray and get on the sinful path. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the choice to each human that they will choose for themselves, that either they are going to the straight path or they are getting straight and going to the sinful path. So these people who are saying that they would not do the sins if Allah willed, but they are not realizing that they are doing the sins on their own accord. And similarly, their forefathers did the sin on their own accord. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.